This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Ciao, glad to see you. Go Dolphs, go. We have some cheerleaders in the chat. Nice, woohoo! Do you have those pom-poms as well? No? 5x on crazy time. Ooh. Where are you? Crazy! Okay, get people. Whoa. Where you are running? First bonus with the top slot. Let's go. That's how we are starting my session. Wow. OM something, right? Just let's say OM. OM crazy time, obviously. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I guess you already know, but I have to remind you. So we have 3 flappers over there, green, blue, yellow. Have to pick by yourself or it will be auto-pick. So what a surprise, majority is picking the blue and we are fighting for 500. Or maybe it's doubles, why not?
This is the amount of money issued, 1,083,933 euros.
So, ladies and gentlemen, majority getting 5x, that's yellow, gave you 250. More than 7.7 thousand of you with money, almost 30,000. South with more than 20 as a third one, and almost 20 as a second one, and close to 20 as a third one, let's be precise. Good job, well done. First bonus and 125 packs for majority, let's go. Best day ever.
Super crazy time, model points available, top slot up to 50x on any single segment. Alright. Cool, have you guys seen, like, what is the best one to watch? Crazy time with the 7x top slot. What is the best Batman cartoon to watch out of all of them? There's so many of them. There's like 7 to 10 different ones. Crazy time with 7x. Hey, look at that, guys. Be happy now. Come on, smile up. Yes, little smiles. Good vibes. Come on. All right. FBI, open up. Welcome to your mother's house. Hi. Good day to you all. Ready for the money? 7x on top, everything. Lovely. Right on. With the 7x afterwards, we'll get a quick in time. That's green, blue, or yellow. Choose. Pick. What do you want to do? $700x highest. Enjoy your time.
This is the amount of money issued, 760,181 euros.
$4,902 of you with a beautiful 350x. Sorry, 6,903 total when it's nicely done. Let's go. Enjoy your time. 140x on the yellow, which is also not the worst. It's pretty good. Anyway, let's go. Happy, guys? Toyota Corolla sounds better, though. 4,866 minutes last night. The bottom's all crashing. So drop threes. The 1998 Toyota Corolla. My favorite. Man, wait, what's it called? I can't remember that little Volkswagen, like the real tiny one with like circular lights. Crazy down to the boy, stop. Corolla goat car. Oh yeah, actually nowadays Corollas are pretty nice. I've driven in them. They're mwah. Anyway, boys and girls, with all them good vibes, we also have a crazy time to add up on top. So if you haven't had good vibes, shame on you, because with good vibes, we received two crazy time with a 4X top front, baby! Mama, I want the sandwich. Enjoy. Welcome back to your mama's house. Hola! Shoo! Exactly. Shoo! Shoo! All right, with a 4X, baby, to add up on top in a second, and then it's going to be picking time. You're going to pick your colors, whatever color you like. If you're colorblind, just ask left, right, or center, and I'll tell you the color. All right, let's go, baby. Let's give it up. All right, pick your stuff. Mm-hmm. Right on, 400X highs multiply. Let's go, baby. Skip it about.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,637,025 euros.
Shoo! Yeah, baby! 11,297 was nicely done with a beautiful 400X on the green. At last, we got some green love tonight. Yeah, baby, gotta love that green. Woo! Yeah! Let's roll it. Hey! Welcome everybody to...
This man is that one who's not making blah 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 blah, just telling all about your plans, about your business plans, you have a future. No, you need to do. Just not wait for some special moment, for special Monday. Just take and do right here, right now. Change yourself. Woohoo! Crazy time with the 4X. No way! No way! Here we go. Shoot forward. Let's go. I want to see that. I want to see. Let's go. Rushing. Bobby's rushing. There we go. Crazy time. Bang, 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 bang. The Bobby with the girls. There we go. The biggest one wheel in the world. Crazy time. With the 4X on the top side, let's multiply. Woohoo! Bobby's making circles. Yeah, exactly. It's Bobby's biceps. Bobby's muscles are working tonight. Choose your flapper. Green one, blue one, the yellow one. Which one color it will be? Whew. This one can call your time, you know. The summertime. Whew. I need to take a little bit brief. So the highest one multiplier is 800X. Hope this will be lucky one. Are you ready? Are you ready for the magic? Let's go! Woohoo!
This is the amount of money issued: 165,032 euros.
100X blue, 80X yellow one, 80X for the green. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. 2,550 pairs winners. Hello, the commercial. Welcome to the crazy time. Yeah, it's your 100X. Still fine, we're gonna take it. It's your 100X, why not?
Nah, I still have hopes that the machine will work every single time I get there. It does work from time to time, you know, so I really can. My hopes are always high. Crazy time with the 5X top start. Okay, thanks.
My pleasure.
I saw one of the questions, but whoa! Slow down, please. Ladies and gentlemen, 5X crazy time. Huh? Okay, let's open up those doors. Come in. Alright, hello, and welcome to the crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get that 5x on. Boom, it's all ready for your bets, ladies and gentlemen. Now it is time for your decisions. Choose either green, yellow, or blue flopper. You have 10 seconds remaining. If you don't want to do it, it will be done for you automatically, and you will still get that payout. Now, ladies and gentlemen, wish you best of luck, trying to catch that 500x.
This is the amount of money issued 261,445 euros.
And we've got our winning 75x for the green, 125x for the yellow flopper, 250x multiplied for the blue flopper. Congratulations to 3,788 winners. Hey, more than 1,500 of you guys got the blue flopper. Lovely. Congratulations. And best of
It's not the big win opener. What is not? The one that I mentioned on the pachinko. My name's pronounced with it. There's so many things happening in the chat. Whew. This is an interesting day so far. But so close. Okay, we have a 5x right now for a crazy time from the top slots. Blue Muffin. Jan says, pardon? Yes, hello to you too. Why'd you say pardon? Did I say something? And my dear players, we have done it again. That is a crazy time with that 5x multiplier from the top. Okay, come on right in. Okay, so welcome to Crazy Time. This time we have an even bigger multiplier from the top slot, and that is a 5x, everybody. So decision time is now open. Choose from the colors green, blue, or yellow. Make your decisions. There's a 5x from the top slot on the line, everybody. Very important choices. And decision time is now closed. Max multiplier to catch is a 1000x. Wish you the best of luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 130,290 euros.
We have a 250x on blue, 125x on yellow, as well as green. Okay, welcome back from the Crazy Time Madness. Again, congratulations to all of the winners and over 5,800 winners in here. Biggest compliments to all of you and best wishes with the new spin. Congratulations on your Crazy Time and betting time. It is now closed.
Hi, Sen. Hello to you as well. One clip with 3x. I do see a lot of numbers. Was all of the session like that or only the end? Hi, Jay Hay. Wait, how I should even say your name. And me or my to start the session like that. Here's the hero. BM. You think so? Well, it's a quantum time. It's a quantum time. In a crazy time with 3x multiplier. Now that's what I'm talking about. Red side, blue side, it is as you see or may not see. Ready? Because actually, I don't know if I'm ready. But okay, let's go still. To see the multipliers? Why I'm not ready? Because I know that I knew that it's gonna be quite different. 15x with red and 300x with blue. Very first round, good luck to you.
This is the amount of money issued 175,943 euros.
Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go to the wheel. 1,684 winners.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.